Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a pig from Minecraft. Start by drawing a square as a guide for the head. To draw the square, first draw two long vertical lines. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also pause the video to draw at your own pace. Make sure that the two lines are parallel to each other. Pay attention to how far apart these lines are in relation to their lengths. Now draw horizontal lines at the top and bottom to close off the shape of the square. Draw all the lines roughly the same length. If you're having trouble drawing straight lines, just use a ruler or any other object with a straight edge. Leave enough room on the right side for the body. Now draw a vertical line across the middle of the square. This is a construction guide that will help you place the facial features later on. Now draw a horizontal line for another construction guide. Place the line in the middle so that the head is divided into 4 equal parts. On the top right side, draw a short sloping line for the first part of the body. This line should be very close to the top right corner of the head. Farther down, draw a longer sloping line for more of the body. This line should be about twice the length of the line at the top. Under the head, draw a short vertical line. Then angle the line to the right to create the bottom edge of the body. Slope this line too so that the 3 lines are parallel to each other. On the right side, draw a long vertical line to close off the side of the body. At the top, draw a sloping line to close off the top section of the body. Under the head, draw a shorter sloping line for the front section of the body. The last 2 lines should have the same slope. Close to the front corner of the body, draw a vertical line for the first part of the leg. Now on either side, draw shorter vertical lines for the sides of the leg. The line on the right should be slightly farther away from the line in the middle. Close off the shape at the bottom using shorter sloping lines. Under the back corner of the body, draw a similar shape for the hind leg. Start with a vertical line for the outer edge of the leg. To the left, draw a longer vertical line for the middle section. Farther left, draw a shorter vertical line for the inner edge of the leg. Now close off the shape at the bottom using shorter sloping lines. Make sure that the lines for the hind leg have the same slope as the lines for the front leg. To the left of the front leg, draw 2 more vertical lines for the other front leg. The inner side of this leg will be hidden behind the first front leg, so only draw the visible section. Close off the shape at the bottom using a sloping line. Under the body, draw the other hind leg using more vertical and sloping lines. A big part of this hind leg will be hidden behind the body, so only draw the bottom section. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. On top of the horizontal construction guide, draw a short vertical line for the first part of the eye. Draw this line halfway between the vertical construction guide and the left side of the head. At the top, draw a short horizontal line to create a small rectangle. Darken the left and bottom part of the guides to finish the shape of the eye. In the middle of the eye, draw a short vertical line to separate the pupil. Draw the eye on the right the same way. First, draw a short line between the vertical construction guide and the right side of the head. Then draw a short horizontal line at the top to create a small rectangle. Darken the sides of the rectangle and then add a short line in the middle to separate the pupil. Close to the bottom edge of the head, draw a horizontal line for the bottom edge of the snout. Now draw 2 vertical lines on the sides to create a small square. The sides of the square should almost line up with the inner edges of the eyes. Darken the line at the top to finish the shape of the snout. Inside the snout, on the left side, draw a small square for the nostril. Use 3 short lines to draw this square. Pay attention to the distance between this square and the vertical construction guide. On the right side, draw another small square for the other nostril. Draw the nostrils roughly the same size. Now darken the initial square to finish the shape of the head. Remember to use a ruler or any other straight edge if you're having trouble drawing this shape. Darken the lines to the right of the head to create the shape of the body. Don't overlap the shape of the head as you draw these lines. Darken the lines under the front part of the body to create the front legs. On the bottom left side of each front leg, draw 2 small squares for the nails. Don't draw the nails too big. Now darken the lines on the right to create the hind legs. On the lower left section of each hind leg, draw 2 small squares for nails. Now go over the final lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. Don't ink the initial guidelines, only the final drawing. When the ink dries, erase all of the guidelines. Now color your drawing using colored pencils, markers, crayons, or anything else. And that's it for the Minecraft pig. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.